Assalamu alaikum viewers. Viewers, now we will discuss the seventh chapter of The Prisoner of Zenda. His Majesty sleeps in Streltsov. We have already discussed six chapters, and in last chapter, viewers, we discussed in the end of the last chapter, we discussed that the Sept and Resendel they went into the room of the king, and they found that the Joseph was murdered and the king was missing. The king was not there in his room. Now, after that, in seventh chapter, what will happen? We are going to discuss this now. Viewers, when Sept and Resendel they came out of the room of the king and they sat silent and they were thinking and they thought that the Black Michael has got the king. So they were still thinking that maybe the Black Michael has kidnapped him or he has murdered him. So they were thinking about the king that was missing now. Then Resendel said to Seb that we must go back to the Streltsov and we must raise the every soldier in the Streltsov and we must collect the army and we must tell them that the Black Michael has killed or kidnapped the king. Viewers, at this point, we don't know whether the king is killed or kidnapped. The only thing we know that the king is missing. So Resendel gave the advice that we must go to the capital city, we must go to the Streltsov and we must raise every soldier and we must try to catch the Black Michael. Then we will ask him that where the king is. This was the advice that was given by Resendel. Then the Sept says that yes, we will go back to the capital and king will be on his throne tomorrow. Then Resendel asked that the king is missing, then how he will be on his throne tomorrow? Then the Sept says the crowned king. Viewers, I hope you are understand the crowned king. So he was actually asking Resendel that Resendel must go and he must sit on the throne. But Resendel said that are you mad? I cannot go and I cannot sit on the throne. So this was the advice of the Sept that we must you must go and you must keep sitting on the throne until we find the original king. Then he said that if I will go there and I will be found, then the Sept says that, but certainly we cannot tell the public that the original king was too drunk to be crowned and he sent his servant to impersonate the king in the coronation ceremony. On this, when Sept says that he sent his servant, then Resendel said that the king was drunk, but I'm not the servant. Viewers, remember we discussed in the first chapter that the Rodolphe Resendel belonged to a royal family. He was a rich person, so he objects here and says that I'm not a servant, but I'm the traveler from England, but I'm not the servant. And the king was drunk. That is true. Then he says that the Black Michael may tell the public that the person on the throne is not the original king. He is someone else. He is someone who is impersonating the original king. Then again, the Sept says that the Black Michael cannot do this. If he will do this, it means he will denounce himself. He cannot tell the public that he cannot tell the public that I have kidnapped the king and he is another person. So he said that Black Michael will never do that because they cannot show their own reality as well. So this conversation goes on and on. Then this Sandel says that we are wasting our time, we must go, otherwise they will kill the king. Then he says that what if they have already killed the king? Then Sept said that you are similar, you are in physical complexion, you are very much similar to the king, then you must sit on the throne forever. But he said that Michael is not a fool. He will not kill the king to put you on the throne. So here we get a hint that the king is actually not murdered. So the Black Michael is planning. He wishes that he should kill the Resendel and his companions first. Then he will kill the original king. Then he can get the all kingdom and certainly he will marry Princess Flavia as well. Viewers, then both Resendel and Sept, they decide to go to the Strelsu, and the Sept says that the horses are ready. But Resendel says that we will bury the murdered Joseph first, then we will go. Then the Sept says that we don't have a time to bury the Joseph, but he says that I will not go until Joseph is buried. So this also shows the heroic quality of Rodolphe Resendel, that the Sept wanted to leave the murdered person, but he said that we will bury him first, then we will go. So when they bury him, there is now from here, from this point, you will see that the Resendel will be commanding now. He is not following the Sept. There is a change in his character. In the earlier part, we were noticing that the Resendel was following the instruction, but now he's taking the leading role. When Sept says that we must go, he refuses. He said that we will not go. So now he's in the commanding position, and he's taking the major decisions. Well, when they went out to bury the Joseph, then they saw that some people, 7, 8 people, they were coming on the horses, and they realized that they are the companions of the Black Michael, and they came here to remove the marks of the murder of Joseph. And then the Resendel said that we must take a revenge. Then the Joseph, at least when he will be buried, he will have a company. So he actually wanted to kill few of the Black Michael's people. So they attacked them, the Sept and the Resendel. They attacked the companions of the Black Michael, and they killed the 3 people of Black Michael. And when this fight was going on, the Resendel says that a bullet from the companions of Black Michael almost touched his finger. In fact, it touched, and he felt the blood on his finger. So, so this at this point, when they were leaving, when they were burying the Joseph, they had a counter with the companions of Black Michael, and they killed the 3 companions of Black Michael. And the Resendel and Sept, they were happy that now at least Joseph will have some company. Viewers, then both Resendel and Sept, they left for the Strelsu, and when they reached the palace, at the gate of the palace, the servant noticed the blood on the finger of Resendel. Then he asked that what has happened, and he kissed the hand of the king, the hand of the Resendel. Now the Resendel is the king. That is why we are using this term, the king, for the Resendel as well. So Resendel replied that it's nothing, it's all okay. He had injured his hand in the door. So somehow he managed it, and they went into the dressing room of the king, and they found the Fids was also there. When the Fids saw them, then he asked that, where is the king? Where is the king? Then he also saw that the finger of Resendel was somehow injured. Then the Sept says that, are you nonsense? Don't you see that the king is here? Then they went inside, and they saw that there was a person who came from Princess Philavia. Actually, the Princess Philavia had sent a person, his servant, to inquire about the health of the king, because he was tired on the other day due to coronation ceremony. Then Resendel said that he's all okay and he's all fit, and he sent some messages, some love messages for Princess Philavia, and that person left. Then the Firs asked again that where is the king? Then they both, Resendel and Sept, they told him that the king was missing. Viewers, this is all which is discussed in chapter number 7 of the Prisoner of Zenda. The important points, if we conclude this all, that the Sept advised that Resendel must go and sit on the throne, and they buried the Joseph, and they had the encounter with the companions of Black Michael, and they also killed the 3 companions of Black Michael. And they realized that the king was missing, and what will happen next, whether Resendel will agree with the advice of Sept and he will continue to be the king of the Ruritania or not, that will be discussed in next chapter, and very soon we will discuss it. Till then, Goodbye.